EP04, guys. No Savannah with me today. Fortunately, she had to work. Poor babe. Back to it. We gave it a good run, me and her together. We tore apart a lot of hills and put a lot of glass out to try and find some of these deer. And we're not finding as many as we found earlier scouting just before season, but we kind of knew that coming into the game with all this snow that it's going to be a little bit difficult to get to the roads we want to get to. But we're still trying as hard as we possibly can to pinpoint some deer. So I'm going to try a little bit different spot today, kind of around the same area, just because we were seeing some does and some sign of deer. So I'm going to go back into an area and try to hike a little bit further off the road just to get away from the people and the pressure, because we can't do it with the vehicle, so I'm going to have to do it with my legs. So hopefully I'll update you guys here in a bit once we get to the spot, and hopefully we'll see a big buck today. So wish me luck, guys. Alright guys, we are up on the first hill, and our goal is to get on that very top ridge line, and that way we can start glassing on the other side and then back down into this canyon. Seen a lot of deer sign, seen some does, hoping that they're gonna be fired up and moving around here. So we'll see. I'll check back in when we get to the top over there. Alright guys, we're just about at the top right here. We sat and glassed a little bit, but I'm not seeing anything. The wind's a little strong. Get to the top here. Get to the top and set up and see what we can see. Alright guys, sitting on another glassing knob here. It's been about a few hours. Haven't seen anything just yet, but we got quite a view here. So we'll see. Fingers crossed, it's starting to warm up now, so hopefully that'll get them moving, get them going. So we'll see. We're at a good spot, so fingers crossed. Alright guys, we have our first buck glassed up here. He is across the canyon. Getting headed, so try and make a play here in just a minute, but I just wanted to show you guys. Got him here on the footage. I don't know if you can see that. It looks like it's just a black screen, but I'll cut the footage. get a little closer, get a little better view, and hopefully we can make a play on him. So, wish me luck, guys. Alright, guys. We got the buck. He's just up the hill here. We crossed over the canyon, came down from over there. Now we crossed the canyon, and we are on this side. And he is just above us, around on that other knob. So we're gonna push up to up top there and see if we can get a look at him. Let's hope for the best. So here I set up the camera and set up the gun pretty quick, just because as I come over the hill, I do see the buck is up feeding and he's kind of working his way away from me. And I do notice that he's a pretty decent buck, or a good fork, so I decide I definitely want to shoot this buck. So I try to get comfortable and get ready for a good shot opportunity. We got a buck down, guys. I just walked up the edge here, glassed over and saw him laying there. We're gonna grab all the gear, head over and go see what he's looking like. Oh my God. Oh man, that just worked out so awesome. Absolutely so awesome. God, you are so good. That was so awesome. He's not a giant by any means. He's a good forky, but man, he's gonna be delicious and he's gonna keep us fed for a good part of the winter. Oh man, I'm so excited. Babe, I wish you were here. Oh my God, it always happens this way. Oh man. We got a buck down, baby. We got a buck down. Let's go. He's just behind this tall pine in front of us here on that hill, on this dry hillside. We're gonna hike over there. Shot from about right here. Ranged it at 160 yards. When I took the shot, it looked like he dropped. I couldn't tell because it gets pretty thick where he was at, but he definitely did not go uphill, and we just walked up just a touch on this ridge line. Was able to glass over and see him laying there. So we are super excited. Just got the backpack and I'm gonna head down, grab the rifle, and work my way over. Oh man, let's go. I'm gonna pan over for you guys. He's right there. Let's go. Let's go. We got him, baby. We got him. Whew. Let's go. I made it. He's done. He's a little forky. He's just a little guy.
Hey there guys, I'm so pumped. Just got the call that Thomas got that nice buck down. Sad I'm not there with him, but hey, we got some more meat in the freezer. I'm gonna try and get off early and see how I can go help, and we'll go from there. But oh man, I'm so excited. Heck yeah.
Sweet. So sweet. Thank you, sir.
Alright guys, so I just got off work. It's about 3:20 right now. I think Thomas is still cutting them up. We got some pretty good weather coming in, I think till the evening. So I'm gonna go try and help him cut them up and pack them out, and we'll get that little guy out of there. But we're excited, so I'm gonna go home, get some coolers, let our dog out, and head over there, get dressed and stuff, of course, for the weather. But we will see. All right, we'll keep you updated. Alright guys, I just got to where the Jeep's at. Looks like we got us a little Hey there. How's it going? That's so funny. I was literally just listening to that song. No, I'm not even kidding you. That is hilarious.
Oh, there goes my pistol.
Hi, baby, you got one! Yeah. Oh, I saw the first quarter there.
That's hind quarter with the tag.
He's awesome. Oh my gosh.
Right?
That is so awesome.
I'm super pumped.
He is a nice forky though.
Yeah, I'm like, he's tall. When I saw these up here, I was like, oh, for sure. I'm
Heck
shooting
yeah.
that. Heck yeah, and he's tall.
That's awesome. He is nice.
He would have been a big old buck.
Heck yeah!
That's
awesome. He's nice, baby. He's nice. Heck
Like,
yeah.
hell yeah, forky.
Okay,
Nice.
going nowhere.
It's actually not as heavy as
Last time.
the 2 legs that I took at once. All right, baby. I'm sorry, dear, if I wasted.
You definitely carried heavier.
The elk, right? That's true. We got a beer.
We do. More meat in the freezer.
Right? We're gonna have a full freezer.
Heck yeah, that's what I wanted.